Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to insert location symbol in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Microsoft Word, just click on the Create Account option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions, and you're good to go. Okay, so inserting the location in Microsoft Word can be useful for a lot of reasons because number one, say for example in travel itineraries, trip reports, or travel guides, inserting the location can provide essential information about the destination, such as the city names, landmarks, or specific addresses. Now, for event invitations, schedules, or venue details, including the location helps participants or attendees easily identify where the event will take place, and it's very important for in-person gatherings or meetings. Now, what I use insert location here in document is for my business reports or proposal or presentations to my clients, because what I do when I specify the location of a specific company's headquarters, branch offices, or project sites, it gives and provides a valuable context for readers or stakeholders. Now, how do we do that? It's very simple because now from here, all you have to do is go to the insert option, click on it, and you should be able to find the icon right here. Because from the icon, you can search the symbol for the location. Now, if you don't have the icon symbol option here in Microsoft Word because you are using a different version or an older version that do not support the location icon symbol, do not worry because there's another step, which is now I need you to go to this insert again option and click on picture. Okay, and from here you can insert a picture from a file. Now, when I do that, as you can see, this is going to be the location symbol. All right, so you put some details on it, and let's make it a little bit smaller so we can drag this up here. Now, remember that inserting the location in Microsoft Word can enhance the clarity, relevance, and contextual understanding of your document depending on the subject matter and intended audience. It's very helpful, really, in giving location such as the critical information about the particular area and geographical relevance, all right? And it's a very straightforward process, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.